What's going on, guys? It's Dustler, and today I'm going to be finishing up the series that I started a couple days ago on the rebuild for the Spurs. I'm going to show you the team real quick. We got the first seed in the West or the East. I can't remember what team this is, and I don't really focus on this team. But yep, here's the team right here. Murray got injured, but we're still in the finals actually right now. So I'll show you we went 63-19. Not bad. I simmed every single game. I'm going to go and show you the game plan, what we're running. Here's the starters. We got Carter Williams, Murray, Paul George, Derek Favors, Clint Capella. And then Darnell Vincent, that rookie I got 2 years ago, is coming off the bench, 6-man. And then we got Bridges at the 7. And then pretty much we just got a solid team. It led us to the finals. Here's the games. I didn't play one of them. I didn't play any of these games, by the way. These games I just let play by themselves. This was the closest one right here, I think, near the end of the game. But so what we're gonna do is, because I don't want to have the 30-minute gameplay video, we're gonna simulate half the game. We're gonna play the rest. Actually, what I'm gonna do is, so they actually have 95 Trae Young, 90 overall. They pretty much have 88 plus overalls at all their starting positions. You'll see once we get in there. So we're not doing bad. We have the lead, like a huge lead so far. So I'm just gonna hurry it up a little bit more. We're probably gonna win this game. So I'm gonna start it right there. 57-46, not bad. That's a pretty good start. That's a pretty dang good start. Not bad. Paul George has been carrying our team, by the way. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to the finals and then in the game, or in the series, even though we sent Paul George like a 4-year deal. I don't think there's a point in really just keep playing with the same team. I mean, I guess we could see if we can go to back-to-back finals, but this team's kind of boring to play with, no cap. Yeah, he has DeMar DeRozan. Oh. This Trae Young is insane. He shoots everything. Okay. I'm not doing too good, by the way. This is... I'm trying to focus on drinking this drink. Alright, I'm ready. Trae Young. Insane. I think we had Paul George make the 3rd all-time team. The 3rd, all-pro team or whatever. Get out of here. Still Clint Capella. He's trash if you leave him alone. You have to, use him, or he's not going to be good at all. Alright, you already know. Murray. Run right past him. Marcus Aldridge, right there. Let's go to DeJounte. I don't know how to pronounce his name. Someone's calling me. Man, that Collins guy right there, every single team try to trade for him at the beginning of your rebuild. He will get to a 90 in 3 seasons, no matter what. Dunk right on him. Oh. Yikes. I'm just going to use your PG rest of the game because... Oh, here we go. Ooh, look at that high shot. Yes, sir. Let's go, PG. Oh, I thought I was going to get that chase down. Paul George, man. I think his name's Leo Collins. See what we can do. Come on. Right on him. Whoa. Okay, I'll take that. Step back. Okay. Step back. I thought Clint Capella just stood there. Oh my gosh. There we go. I'm not even looking at the game. You still missing shots.
Yeah.
PG.
Hold on a sec. Okay, so that's definitely a keep. Keep.
Jesus.
This isn't the one I gave you, is it?
I don't know.
No, mine is different.
I need to get some more of those.
Don't worry, this is just your picture. I'm not actually like taking that. Because that one's not mine. I know that for a fact. Mine was like actually red. Or black. Gold.
Jesus.
How are you not getting grounded for this stuff?
She hasn't seen it. But you try to.
You got Dr. Pepper candy bowls.
I try to read.
Dude, she checked my room like every morning. When I lived here. Just like your brother.
There you go. Come on. Dude, Paul George. Insane. PG-13. PG-2 actually now. Come on. We're probably going to win this by like a landslide. Really? That's DeMar's fault actually. Crazy. Alright, Walker's in. The GOAT's in. It's go time, man. The GOAT's in. What you got? What was that? I'm telling you, the Walker's in. He's the GOAT. He does everything. Underrated. Ooh, I thought he was about to foul him right there. Walker in. He's the GOAT. Run right past him. Oh yeah. Pull up Walker. Pull up Walker. Pull up Walker. Okay. Jeez, man. I see you. What's crazy is after this year, like everyone's going into free agency. Like KD's going in. Like I was like, are you serious? The one time I'm gonna end it. Oh, I'm so glad we got rid of Fred VanVleet. All right, let's go Vincent, our rookie or whatever. This dude can shoot threes, actually. I mean, he has a C for it. Come on now. Oh, God. Get out of here. Fred, you're trash. Let's go, Vincent. Come on now. Right to him at 2. Who? Huh, not bad. Where's Paul George at? DeJounte Murray goes to a 90 at point. I mean, shooting guard. That's not bad. Vincent, I swear, he never played up to his potential. I say that. I grant a 3. Whatever. I was gonna move him to shooting guard if I wouldn't been able to sign Paul George. That's who I would have kept there. Come on with 2 or whatever your name is. There you go. There you go. I think next team I'm gonna do a team where, because as soon as this game's over with, I'm just gonna go ahead and just start recording my next team. I think I'm gonna do the Warriors right now. How trash they are, and yeah, with Clay and Jesus, I'm blanking. Curry, I don't know. I think that's what I'm gonna do next. That seems like a pretty more fun team to do because they don't really have any big bodies in the room no more. Don't get me wrong, they have Draymond Green, but they lost KD. I probably could have shot that. Well, no, shooting form's pretty slow. I could shoot that and Green another 3, dude. Maybe I should make the series. I have to 3-peat before I'm done. That'd be crazy. Dude, this team could probably do it. Because I think Kawhi is also going into free agency. Just go pick him up. Dude, PG Kawhi combo again. Oh, Murray's back in. I'm going to put Paul George at point guard. That's where he plays the best for me. Oh my gosh. Come on, Murray. Just keep doing this pick and roll. I see Paul George sitting there. I had so many injuries in this year's game, in this part of the series. It was crazy. I was never playing on my full team, like ever. Don't go out of bounds. Oh my gosh, what are you doing? I think Paul George is an undersized shooting small forward in the real NBA. I mean, he could play the defense, but I don't know. I think he should move back to shooting guard or point guard. Come on now. Let's go, Vincent. Give me them. Paul George taking it all the way. Oh. Fred, get the... Man, that was such a nice move, too. Get out of here. Vincent, well, that's my 2, never mind. Vincent, here we go. Pull up 3. Pull up 3. I don't know about that potential no more. Shooting pull up 3s, jumpers, dude. Who was it? Pull up that drop back 3. Oh my gosh, come on. Wait, it always clicks me on the worst person, I swear. Get out of here, Fred. There's no way Fred did that defense to me. I'll shoot it right in his face. Let's go, Paul. Ooh. Never mind. Nico shooting stupid shots. Come on now, 6 seconds. Get out of here. Murray. Oh, okay. That's close. One more quarter. I'll probably send the rest of the game, to be honest. We're destroying this team. If we get to 120 points, I'll send the rest of the game. I don't want to sit y'all through a 12-minute quarter. Just watch me play this. Dude, that's not realistic, I swear. Vincent with that lockdown defense, I'm telling you. No. I tried to pass out of that dunk because I thought he was about to lay up. Clint Capella, I'm not picking him up next. Oh, I'm not picking him up next rebuild. I don't care how much he's going for. I hate him. I genuine hate him. Like, what are you doing, dude? He's so slow. Maybe I could do the Mavericks or something. Well, they're pretty good, actually. I don't know. Seems like a funner team to do. Oh, yeah, right over him. Who's that? I don't even know. Mali? What are you doing, Bridges? That's why you're not coming to my rebuild either next year. So what I did this year is I grabbed like a star and then there's a bunch of like small players to put him like next to him. That's pretty much what I did. I grabbed Paul George, a pretty good star, and then just put a bunch of these like 80 overall players around him. I drafted that one guy who was pretty solid. And I drafted like the overseas guy. He hasn't came into my team yet, I don't think. I think it comes after this year. Oh, where you going, Fred? I missed that layup. Man. They go to the basket too fast in this game. Like, if you go play 2K19, you get like a little bit more time to like drive to the basket. I don't know if that like helps you or makes it worse. I don't know. But I'm just stating the facts. Come back over here, buddy. Vincent all day. He bricked that. Shoot it, Fred. You ain't making nothing. Told you, you're trash. What do you think I got rid of you? Mid range, where did I mid at? I thought he was gonna go for the three, Paul George. When he gets older, his three goes way down. So you gotta do something quick about it. Dude, Clint is only good if you use him. Maybe that's what I should be using. I'm gonna try to do a step back three right here. Watch this. Oh, it just pulled up mid range. Okay, never mind. Here we go. I'm trying again. It just didn't pull up mid range again. Okay, can I try one more time? I'll just do a three from here. Ah, I jumped too quick. That was 3 missed shots with him. Okay, he makes that. Oh, right over him. I just went through everyone right there. Paul George in these uniforms, San Antonio Spurs uniforms are clean. I swear he looks clean. What we'll do is we're gonna win these finals anyway. I'll go into free agency if we can pick up a star. I'm not gonna play, but in the next series, I'll let y'all know how we did. I think I'll sum the rest of the season and the finals. I'll tell you if we made back-to-back finals appearances or win or whatever. Cause it don't really matter to me. I don't want to put y'all through another 30-minute video, just me simming the game. Come on, pull up. Dude, I'm not... Rebound chaser, really? Oh my gosh. If I get a free Galaxy Opal in my team for killing Capella, you know how mad I'd be. He'll probably play insanely good. He's not bad if you use him. I'm telling you, like, you see me use him, I got like 3 blocks already. Who's this? Vincent. Vincent's still in? Let's get Walker in. Yeah, I'm playing point guard. Dang it. Apologies.
Got a pen?
No. My pencil though. Easy. Could get one more score and I'm gonna back out. Paul George. Alright, I'm backing out. Wrong one. So we didn't get to see the animation, but Paul George got the MVP, I'm pretty sure. 36 points, 30 rebounds, 4 assists, just to get on a block. Not bad. Money, 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 money. Mm-hmm. 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 We're gonna see if we can pick up any free agents. Yeah, we won the finals, so series is over. Who retired? JD or Redick? Okay. I don't care about nothing besides this. Look at this. James Harden, KD, Kyrie. Like, really? I'll see if we can pick up KD. Oh. I guess he signed a contract. Dang, we can't even sign him. Hold on. How do we not have cap room? Dude, we literally... Oh. That's why right here. 42 million salary. Holy crap. Dude, there's some good players. Holy crap. Just we could pick up someone. No one.
Hey, give me some hobbies, like things.
But, yeah, there's nothing else really to do on this one. I guess we can just see the player progression, and I'll end it here. Come on. Oh my gosh. It's so frustrating to rebuild a team on here.
Why?
Because, like, the computer generated, if you have a good team, you'll still lose games.
Just out of like chance.
Mm-hmm.
I knew this game was scripted. I knew EA scripts their games, dude. That's why I don't play EA games.
This game isn't EA, it's 2K. 2K makes their own games.
Yeah, so does EA, and they're all scripted. Only
Just
EA
have to,
games
man.
that don't feel scripted is FIFA and hockey.
Honestly. So,
Madden, oh, you throw that ball up, you got like 20% catch, 40% pick,
it's gone,
and
dude.
another 40% of just incomplete. Now we'll bump that catch to a 10% and the incomplete up to
Dang.
50, 40's pick.
We had him on a 5-year lockdown contract, DeJounte Murray. Well, that's it. That's all. I'm done with this series, man. I'm so sick and tired of this game. Nah, I'm joking. I'll do the next game. Whatever one of y'all want. If y'all enjoyed this video, please leave a like, leave a comment, always subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.